got some new cushions here. I've just thrown on my own kind of fuzzy case on the front. White never seems to stay clean. But the cushion itself is actually waterproof. So if you kind of look closely, it looks sheer, but it's basically, I don't know what material it is, but it will repel water. So if you have these outside on patio furniture or something, it will repel the moisture, which is great. I've got like strip lights in here that are changing color, and these are making these look multicolored. But basically when they come in, you just want to give it a little shake to fluff up the pillow itself. I do think the outdoor pillows are a little bit thinner than their indoor pillows, which I also have a video on. I don't know, just one thing I noticed that kind of differed. And then of course that liner. So definitely cool. Check them out. Very easy to set them up and fluff them.